Kotse ba? Feel kotse na.
After a teaser at the beginning of the year, BYD has quickly brought in their global game changer, the BYD Shark DMO. Nakakita na tayo ng mga mild hybrid pickup trucks before this, pero this one is a plug-in hybrid tulad ng Sea Lion 6. Also, unlike the other mild hybrid pickups in the country, hindi ito powered by a diesel engine. Tara, let's have a closer look at the new BYD Shark 6 DMO. Alam nyo na gagawin. Like, share, at mag-subscribe. Nako, kayo naman talaga. Todo doon pero hindi pa nakasubscribe. Subscribe na. Siguro simulan muna natin sa size. The BYD Shark 6, if compared to the Toyota Hilux GRS, is longer ng 137mm, slimmer ng 49mm, pero mas matangkad naman ito by 80mm. That is notable considering na mataas ang ground clearance ng Hilux at around 260mm. When it comes to power, the BYD Shark 6 is powered by a 1.5-liter gas engine with 2 electric motors and a 29.58 kWh battery. Combined, they produce 435 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque sent to all 4 wheels thanks to all-wheel drive. Mas malakas pa yan kaysa sa Ford Ranger Raptor V6 and again, 1.5-liter lang ang makina nito. Kaya nitong tumakbo ng 0 to 100 km/h in only 5.7 seconds. Aside from that, this has an EV-only range of 100 km. Together with the engine, this has a combined range of 800 km. Hindi na masama for a hybrid pickup. Meron din itong multi-terrain mode optimization para hindi kayo maalanganin when doing off-road runs. Meron kang mud, sand, snow, and gravel modes. May intelligent power brake din that gives better regenerative braking, has faster stopping power, and smoother driving experience. At para sa mga nag-aalala sa battery nito for off-roading, wala kayong dapat isipin. Meron itong steel underplate sa ilalim for added protection. High-performance chassis na ginawa pang extra rigid dahil sa cell-to-battery technology. As tough as it looks, comfortable pa rin ang BYD Shark 6 dahil meron itong double wishbone suspension sa harap at likod. Hindi uso leaf spring dito, boy! Siyempre, ang loob nito ay comfortable din. It features the signature rotating touchscreen at 12.8 inches, may rear air vents, contoured seats, and BYD Connect. Meron ding advanced driver assist system, 5-star ANCAP rating na mas mahigpit sa ASEAN NCAP natin, and vehicle-to-load capability. That means, pwede mong saksakan ng mga appliance and the BYD Shark 6 will act as a power bank. With 29 kilowatts of power, kaya nito ang air tent, air mattress, lights, projector, sound system, induction cooker, coffee maker, at kahit refrigerator. Grabe, glamping ready na talaga ang BYD Shark 6. Pero isa sa mga low-key advantages na pinagmamalaki ng BYD with the Shark 6 ay ang savings nito. They're saying once a year lang ang PMS nito at ang total cost of ownership ay 20% to 40% cheaper than other Halo pickup trucks. At pag binili mo itong Shark 6, may kasama ka pang 7 kilowatt home wall charger and a separate free portable charger. As for the price, abangan nyo na lang sa video description sa baba. I'm your host Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turbuhan na nagpapaalala sa inyong lahat na i-follow ko sa lahat ng mga social media accounts ko. So paano ba yan? Kita-kits tayo sa next video, dito lang, sa PhilKotse. Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching. For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philkotse.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? PhilKotse na!